Arm & Hammer, Essentials with Natural Deodorizers, Deodorant, Fresh Rosemary Lavender, 1.0 ounces, 28 grams. Product Overview Description. Free of aluminum, parabens and phthalates. Suggested use. Apply to underarms only. Other ingredients. Dipropylene glycol, water, propylene glycol, sodium stearate, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, coriandrum sativum, coriander, fruit oil, rosmarinus officinalis, rosemary, leaf oil, lavandula hybrida, lavandin, oil, fragrance, ethylhexylglycerin, octenidine HCl, tetrasodium edta, allantoin. Warnings. Do not apply to broken skin. If a rash or irritation develops, discontinue use. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.